Hi viewers, welcome back to new videos, and you are watching the Mechatronics Solutions channel. And this time I am sitting inside the JCB Boom loader. The problem is that this alternator is not working. Now I am going to start the machine. This time machine is on. So I am going to start it. Now it is starting. But here you can see this battery light is coming. This time machine is start, but this battery light is showing. It means the alternator is not working. So now going to the engine side and remove the alternator and check what is the issue, why this is not charging. So here you can see I came to the engine side. This one is a belt. Okay, this alternator I'm going to remove it. So before removing the alternator, I remove this pulley, because this pulley is a extension for this belt. So first I remove this pulley. After it, this belt will remove. Then I will open this alternator. So you can say, after removing this alternator from the machine, I bring it to my workbench and I'm going to disassemble this alternator. And after disassembling, I will show you where is the problem, and most probability the problem in the regulator, because physically I check it, it is no damage, the pulley is also okay. So therefore I am doubted the problem in the regulator. But be with me, I am opening it, and after we check where is the problem. So as you can see, I have removed this regulator, so you can see its conditions. So this is only the carbon brushes are worn off. The carbon brushes are finished, not a big problem, just only need to change the carbon brushes. Okay, you can see the carbon brushes are finished. So just only change the carbon brushes, but this time I don't have the carbon brushes with me. So afterward I will buy a new one and will change the carbon brushes, but this time I have a new regulator with me. I just this time need to change this regulator because this machine is urgently needed on the site. So there, I'm going to change the regulator and fix back this alternator, and I show you the problem is a finish or not. Okay, this one is a new regulator with me, so I'm going to fix this regulator to this alternator. So please with me, I show you how to fix it in this alternator. So as you can say, I am fixing this regulator to this alternator, and you observed this white color cable tie. I have not removed this one. This cable tie is safety for the carbon brushes, and then we can easily can fix this regulator back to this alternator, and I have no problem with the carbon brushes. When I fix this regulator properly, afterward I will cut this cable tie. So now I have fixed the regulator. Now I'm going to cut this cable tie, and in this way we can easily fix the without any problem of the carbon brushes. We can fix this regulator easily. So you can see now I am removing this cable tie. So my regulator is all almost fixed. So now I will. So you can see in this way we can easily remove this cable tie. So now my regulator is fixed. Now I am tightening. It's not cold here, and assembled this alternator as it was. So after it I will fix to the machine. So as you can see, I have assembled my alternator, and now I come to the machine side. I am going to fix this alternator here. So this time I will off my camera, and off camera I will fix this alternator and also fix the belt. Then afterward I will show you. So here you can see I have fixed the alternator, fixed the belt back, and now I'm going to start the machine. And so guys, now I am inside the cabin and I'm going to start the machine.
Now machine is in on position. So I'm going to start it. Now machine is started, and you can see this battery has gone. Battery sign has gone. It means my charge started charging now. Okay, so my problem is finished. So charging is